Simulating events allows us to see what might actually happen over a period of time or over multiple trials of a particular event without having to actually perform that event. Statistical software will perform these simulations for us. In this demo, I'm going to show you how to use Statdisk to perform a dice generation of data. So we're going to look at how to use the dice generator to roll multiple rolls and multiple dice to see what the outcomes are. So once you're in Statdisk, you'll go under Data and down to Dice Generator, just as I did. When you get there, you're going to enter in the sample size. The sample size represents how many times you want to roll your dice. It automatically says 100, but you can change that number to however many times you want to roll. So let's just pick a number for how many times we want to roll. Let's say we want to roll our die 50 times. Now, realistically, we could probably roll a set of die 50 times and it wouldn't be too much trouble. But if we wanted to roll 500 times, that would be a different story. And let's just say we're going to roll 2 dice. And each die has 6 sides. We can generate our data. Now, if we copy that data and paste it over here, we'll see that we have 50 outcomes down here. Now, let's say we go back and we want to roll 2 die 100 times. And I'll copy that data and I'll paste it. Now I have 100 outcomes. And every time I would do that, if I would increase, I would have however many outcomes that I had said I wanted for rolls. I could increase the number of die that I wanted to roll to 10 or 20 or 30 or 50 or however many die I wanted to roll. Now, another great thing that I can do once I'm in Statdisk is I can sort the data to see how many times a certain outcome occurred. In order to sort the data, I go under Data, and then I come down to Sort Data. It asks me which column I want to sort. So why don't I just pick one of the columns that I generated. I'm going to pick column 1. And I want to sort in which order, ascending or descending, big to little or little to big. You pick. So if I sort column 1, it jumped down here because I have this extra column. If I sort column 1, it comes down, and look, column 1 is sorted little to big. I can find all of my 7s and see how many times the 7 occurred. I can also see how many times I have a 6, a 5, a 4, a 3, a 2, an 8, a 9, and a 10. So that's really handy. I could also go back and sort column 3 if I wanted. I can go back to Data, Sort Data, and I could sort column 3. So now column 3 is sorted. Column 1 is unsorted because I'm only focusing on column 3, but I could look and see how many times 6, 7, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, whatever. I can see what occurred. Now I don't have a 1 because I rolled 2 die, so there wouldn't be a 1 because it would be a sum. So that is how you use the dice generation tool, and that is how you use the sort tool.